This is problem number 27 of GATE 2016. A is equals to summation of from n equals to 0 to infinite n a to the power n, where a mod a is less than 1. The value of a in the range from 0 to 1 such that a is equals to 2a is. Okay. Now we have a is equals to summation of n equals to 0 to infinite n a to the power n. Now a is equals to twice a. Okay. Now if I put the value of n equals to 0 here, we have 0 plus n equals to 1 means a to the power a to the power 1 plus n equals to 2 means 2a square plus 3a cube, like that. Okay. Now if I take a, okay, a common, we have 1 plus 2a plus 3a square plus, like that. Now a, this is the formula for 1 minus a minus 2 to the power minus 2. Okay. Now this is equals to twice a. So if I cancel the a, we have 1 minus a is 1 minus a whole square is equals to 0.5, and a is 0.293. So the value is 0.293. So this is the required solution.